In this video, I'm going to create a booking website using only my mobile phone. To do this, I'll be using WebStarts AI. WebStarts AI is everything you need to create a website. It's your web address, hosting, and visual editor. To get started, go to webstarts.ai and tap the Get Started button. Enter the type of business for which you intend to create a website. For this example, I'll be creating a website for a web designer, so I'm going to enter that into the field provided and tap Continue. In the next step, I'm going to enter my business name. Now it's time to select the interactive apps I want on my site. Since I'm creating a booking website, I tap the box for booking. But I also want to make blog posts to promote my business. So I'm going to tap the blog app too. Tap Continue and AI generates your booking website. Scrolling down my booking website, I can see AI has populated each section of my site with relevant text, images, location data, and even frequently asked questions. I can have AI suggest new content by tapping the Regenerate button. Since I chose to have AI generate a booking website, the Book Now button appears near the top of my home page. Tapping on it reveals my placeholder booking services. These are the steps my site visitors will take to book an appointment through my site. In a few moments, I'll show you how to customize and manage your services. Tap the Continue button to proceed to sign up and save your AI-generated site. With your booking site created, you'll be able to view, edit, add a domain name, or share the web address. Let's take a look at how to edit your booking website. Tapping on elements allows you to edit their content, while tapping the Save icon saves and publishes the changes you've made to your website. Tapping the back arrow returns you to the dashboard. On the dashboard, scroll down and locate the app panels. Tap on the Appointments panel to create and manage services. Here you can give your service a name, set the duration, as well as the location. Scrolling down, you can set your availability by both time and dates blocks, as well as specific dates. Enable and set buffer times if you need a little time between appointments. When you're finished, tap Add and your service is created. Tapping the Appointments tab allows you to manually book appointments. Just select a service, time, and enter your client's contact information. Clients receive appointment reminders via text and email, whether they're manually booked or book themselves on your site. If you're serious about your business, you'll want to add a domain name. Tap Add Domain and search for your desired domain. You can register a new domain name or connect one you already own. If your domain is available, you'll be able to add it to your site. Keep in mind, whether you register a new domain or connect one you already own, you'll be required to have a paid subscription. That's it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.